Are you over 50 and constantly feeling drained, battling stubborn belly fat, or struggling with sluggish digestion? What if I told you that in just 14 days, you could reverse fatty liver and regain your energy? Stay with me because in today's video, we're going to uncover a simple remedy that can transform your liver health in just 2 weeks. Welcome to Healthy Life Tips, your go-to place for practical, science-backed health advice. Today, we're talking about one of the most crucial organs in your body, the liver. If you're over 50 and you're noticing that your energy is lower, your waistline is growing, or your digestion just isn't as smooth as it used to be, your liver might be the culprit. It's the organ responsible for detoxing your body, but in our modern world, it's often overloaded with too many toxins and unhealthy foods. But hey, the good news, your liver is incredibly resilient. With the right lifestyle changes, you can help it regenerate and function optimally again, starting in just 14 days. Let's break it down. Fatty liver disease, particularly non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is more common than you think, especially among people over the age of 50. The liver's job is to detoxify the body, filter toxins, and metabolize fats. But when your diet is filled with refined carbs, think pasta, bread, sugary treats, and processed foods, your liver gets overwhelmed, and the excess sugar and glucose get stored as fat. Over time, this can cause inflammation and damage the liver, leading to fatty liver disease. But here's the real kicker. Most people don't realize that foods like pizza, chips, even rice, yes, rice, are contributing to fatty liver buildup. It's not just about alcohol, and in fact, one of the main culprits is sugar and carbs. Don't panic. Now, let's talk about the solution. What can you do to reverse fatty liver disease naturally and quickly? 1. Cut down on high-carb foods. The first thing you need to do is reduce your intake of carbohydrate-heavy foods. Because when you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose. This glucose is absorbed into the bloodstream and goes directly to the liver. The liver then processes it, but when there's too much glucose, it gets stored as fat. Over time, this fat accumulates and leads to fatty liver disease. But trust me, cutting back on these will not only help your liver but also improve your energy levels. Focus on healthier options like whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. 2. Add liver-supporting foods. Now, let's talk about liver-friendly foods. One of the best foods for this is dandelion. It's a powerful herb that stimulates bile production and helps your liver process fats more efficiently. Not only does dandelion support liver detoxification, but it also has a bitter taste that stimulates the liver to release digestive enzymes. You can add fresh dandelion leaves to your salads, or if you want something a little different, try making a hot potato dandelion salad. Simply chop up some potatoes, add fresh dandelion leaves, and drizzle with olive oil and garlic. It's a delicious and simple way to nourish your liver. 3. Hydrate with lemon water. One of the best ways to support your liver is by staying hydrated with the right fluids. Start your morning with warm lemon water. Despite lemons being acidic, once they're digested, they actually have an alkaline effect on the body, which is great for liver detoxification. Lemon water is not only refreshing but also helps balance the body's pH levels, which supports liver health. Plus, it boosts digestion and helps flush out toxins that might be lingering in your system. 4. Use ginger for inflammation. Ginger is another powerful ally when it comes to liver health. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce liver inflammation. If you're dealing with sluggish digestion or liver congestion, ginger can really help. You can make ginger tea by boiling some fresh ginger slices in water, and it's a great drink to have after meals to aid digestion. I've personally seen patients who've had liver issues improve just by incorporating ginger into their daily routines. It's an easy, natural remedy with tons of benefits for your liver and overall health. 5. Incorporate healthy fats. Now, I know we've all been told to avoid fats, but the truth is, healthy fats are vital for liver health. Healthy fats like those from butter, eggs, olive oil, and even avocados do not spike insulin levels like refined carbs do, and they actually support liver function. It's time to ditch the fear of fats. Your liver needs them to process toxins and regulate fat metabolism. Healthy fats also help balance your hormones and improve your skin and brain function. So, don't be afraid to add them to your meals. By making these simple dietary changes, you'll not only reverse fatty liver but also experience improved digestion, better energy levels, and even weight loss around your midsection.
The beauty of this is that you don't need expensive supplements or drastic measures, just real, whole foods and a little bit of commitment. In just 2 weeks, you could start seeing results: better digestion, reduced bloating, and even clearer skin. Most importantly, your liver will begin to heal and regenerate, which will have a positive ripple effect on your entire body. The best part? These changes are simple and natural, and you can start feeling better in just 14 days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Healthalife Tips for more evidence-based health advice. I'd love to hear about your liver health journey. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've tried any of these tips, or if you have any questions. Remember, your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and with the right care, it can thrive again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.